Hey everyone, these are 3 easy steps you need to know before entering UK. So 1, you're gonna need to take a PCR test regarding of what country you're coming from to enter UK. Most flights, they're not gonna allow you unless you have a PCR test and results for that. Also, if you're fully vaccinated, you do need to show that card or QR code for fully vaccinated passenger. And second, you need to fill up a passenger locator form at uk.gov, which I'll put the link below. You're gonna need to fill that up. Also, you're gonna need to get a 2-day test kit depending if you've been vaccinated or not. There's another test kit you have to take also if you're not vaccinated. And I'll put the link below where to get that. When you get the test kit and order it, they give you a reference number, which you need that number to get your passenger locator form. From what we've experienced, we never actually picked up our test kit when we arrived in London. Because we didn't have enough time for the test kit to arrive at our hotel, we never took the test. And as I spoke to one of the receptionists at the hotel, they said nobody ever picks up their test kit. He showed me about 40 test kits that have been sitting there for about a month and a half. So 40 in just that one hotel. So imagine all the other thousands of hotels in UK that have those packages sitting and just collecting dust and doing nothing. So this is just our experience. And if you are staying in the UK and when you leave, they don't even ask you if you did take that test or not. Because when you leave, you're also gonna need to do another PCR test to board your flight. So it doesn't really matter if you did that test or not. So that's our experience. Those are 3 simple, easy steps. If you follow those steps and follow that link, you're gonna have no problem in entering UK at all. If you have any other questions, just ask me on the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it from our experience. And hope everything goes well with your trip to UK. Thank you for watching.